What's going on, everybody? Bones here with CAJUNRNEWBBQ. Hope you're doing fine. I'm making it myself. Today, we're going to do up a McDonald's secret menu hack. It's called the Land, Sea, and Air Big Mac. If you buy it from McDonald's, it requires you to buy 3 different sandwiches. The fish fillet, the McChicken, and the Big Mac. Today, I'm going to show you how to make it yourself. Seasoning we're using today is called WonderRub. It's a veteran-owned company. Their ingredients are cane sugar, paprika, pink Himalayan salt, pepper, spices, garlic, onions, and dried chilies. Stick around. We're going to get right to it. Ingredients for your Land, Sea, and Air Big Mac. 2 buns, some chicken fry mix, some fish fry mix, 1 piece of thin chicken breast, 1 piece of whiting fish, or if you can find cod, that would be a better choice, 1 pound of ground meat that you're going to need just 1 small little bit of, some WonderRub, lettuce, and pickles. I'll show you your ingredients for your Big Mac sauce in just a moment. First off, we're going to go ahead and get that chicken breaded. We're going to throw down just a little bit of that Zatarain's chicken fry mix. And there we go. Now, to get our fish ready to go, same process. Throw a little bit of fish fry down. Spread it on the plate. And now our fish is ready to go. We're not doing a double crunchy fish or chicken today. We're just doing single breaded. So that's why there's no buttermilk or anything else like that. If you want to do a double crunch, you're more than welcome to do it. Okay, I set our hot plate to high. Gonna go ahead and pour in some of our oil. Let that get heated up to 350 degrees. While the grease is coming up to temp, we're going to go ahead and start making our little hamburger patty balls. Just little small, almost the size of meatballs you want them. Because remember, McDonald's hamburger patties are quite thin. We're going to go ahead and start frying off our chicken and fish. I've already temped the grease and it temps over 350 degrees. You can also check the grease by throwing a little bit of your batter on it. Gonna go ahead and fry off our fish first, since it's gonna take literally no time at all to fry off that fish. And we done. Let the oil recover for a second. Fry off that chicken now. Alright, we done. Go ahead and turn off that oil now. Now you moved over to your griddle. Turn it on, turn it to medium, let it heat up for a minute. Go ahead and throw on some oil. Go ahead and spread it around. Go ahead and start putting down the little hamburgers. Let's smash them down. Now it's time to go ahead and throw on some of that one rub. And we done. We're going to go ahead and start off now making that Big Mac sauce. Go ahead and add in that half cup of mayo. Add 2 tablespoons of relish. Now add in those 1 tablespoon of minced onions. Now the 2 tablespoons of ketchup. Now the 2 teaspoons of mustard. 1 teaspoon of vinegar. 1 teaspoon of sugar. Half teaspoon of paprika. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder. Go ahead and start stirring that all together. This is how you make your Big Mac sauce. Time to make the Lancey and Air Big Mac. Throw it on your bottom bun. Put down a little Big Mac sauce. A little bit of lettuce. A couple pickles. Throw down a patty. Put down the bottom bun. Throw down a little Big Mac sauce. Some lettuce, pickles, piece of chicken. If you had cod, you wouldn't have to do this, but since it's the whiting fish and it's so long, actually, sorry, skipped a step. Put it on a little bit of Big Mac sauce, then put down your fish. Put down a little bit more Big Mac sauce. Put down your top bun. And here we go. Oh, that was so good. And look at that. I got all three. The beef, the chicken, and the fish. I tell you, it's a calorie killer, but it's so good. You gotta give this a try. I tell you, you won't be disappointed. If you like what I'm doing, you know what to do. Thank you. Have a good day.